today we're going to make these really cool magnets, and I hope you have fun making them. So, first, we're going to take a glass pebble, and we're going to find a place, like maybe on a pattern paper, that we want to do this. And we're going to lightly trace around here in pencil. Okay, now we've got this paper, and we can just look how cool it looks here. And I'm going to take some Mod Podge paint. That's way too much. And I'm going to lightly spread some on here. I'm doing it with my finger because that'll help spread it out. And we're going to place this on here. It's fine if it looks a little cloudy while it's still drying. It's fine if it still looks cloudy, but it might look as clear and pretty as this soon. So, now we're going to trim here. You don't want to trim like before you glue it here, because if you do that, you might have probably can't see, but there might be a little hole area where you can't really see the paper. So, yeah. And we have this here. So we're going to take some more Mod Podge and neatly put it on the back of this pebble. And we're going to wait for it to dry. And after it's dried, we're going to do some hot glue on here. We're going to attach these magnets to what's going to be our magnet with a hot glue gun. Make sure that you have an adult helping you with the glue gun. Turned out with an awesome magnet. You can get all of the supplies at Hobby Lobby, which is a very amazing craft store. And please subscribe to our channel so you can find out more about some more cool projects.